Today's tip is for those whose first language is not English, like me. Do you know, when I came to Canada a long time ago, if you had a foreign sounding name, you were strongly encouraged to change it, to anglicize it. And if you had an accent, well, you had a hard time to get on any public forum or get on air on radio and television. Now, those things have changed for the better. But the principles of communications never change. We make a speech and the audience needs to understand us. And it can be a challenge, whether you have an East Indian, a German, a Hungarian, an Italian accent, it can be a challenge. The first thing we need to do is be aware of how we sound to others. I suggest you record your speech and listen back and record it again and listen back to it, because that's how others hear you. Second, and most important, slow down. I don't mean you should lose your energy, because that's what makes a speech good, but you should remember to keep pauses between sentences. Let the audience digest what you have to say, because it doesn't matter how good your speech or presentation is. If the audience has to strain to understand you, they lose interest. See you soon with more tips to help you succeed. For more information or to get my handbook, click on the link.